Hope in the Park is going to be happening on the 29th of June this year. So you can join us in Hickman Park for that lovely event where we get the community together, and there's going to be lots of fun for families, for kids, for everyone to take part in. So join us for Hope in the Park this year when it's back.
Somebody take my place. You were looking for a sign, so you made them a savior. You fell for golden lies. You sold your soul for a little shine. You traded my love, you jumped in the arms.
So guys, this week is Connect Group, so make sure that you connect with yours. And if you're not already connected in one, where you can connect with family, with people here at church, in community together and in your faith, then why not talk to one of the welcome team? I'm sure they'd love to help point you in the right direction to one. So that's all for church news, guys. Have a great week.